In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp number in Facebook Marketplace. If you want buyers to reach you quickly on WhatsApp, the first thing you need to do is make sure your mobile number is properly added and verified inside Facebook. That way, Marketplace can use it when you create or manage your listings. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the account you use for Marketplace. On the home screen, look to the upper right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. This is where all your tools and settings live. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy and tap it. Before you move on, glance at the top right of the screen and tap your profile icon if you see it there. This helps confirm you're working under the correct profile, which is especially handy if you manage multiple profiles or pages on the same device. Next, tap Settings. Inside Settings, look for Account Center and choose See More. Account Center is where Facebook manages your identity, contact details, and connections across its apps, so this is the right place to add the phone number you use for WhatsApp. Tap Personal Details, then go into Contact Info. Here you'll see options to add or manage phone numbers and email addresses. Tap Add Mobile Number. When the number field appears, carefully enter your phone number, including the correct country code. Double check that this is the same number registered in your WhatsApp app. Using a different number can cause confusion for buyers and may prevent the WhatsApp button from working as expected. After you enter the number, tap Next. Facebook will now guide you through the on-screen verification process. Usually you'll receive a text message with a code. In some regions, you might also see a call option. Enter the verification code exactly as shown. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment or request a new one, and make sure your device has a stable data connection and the correct SIM selected if you use dual SIMs. Once verification is complete, your mobile number is saved to your Facebook account. From here on, when you create or edit marketplace listings, Facebook can offer a WhatsApp contact button so buyers can message you directly. If your number was already in contact info, you can review or update it in the same place to make sure it's current. That's it. You've added your WhatsApp number to Facebook through Account Center, setting yourself up for smoother communication